Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
Yes, I will be making use. We will be making an account in Scratch. So if you want, if you don't want to go see code.org, you can always go ahead and make your account in Scratch. I read a few of you all already have a Scratch account. That's very good. If you already have an account, that's nice. You must be aware of Scratch a little bit. So we will first, like I said, finish or revise code.org once, only the last lesson. And I'm not going to take time because we want to do Scratch. A lot of you all have been asking and many of you all want to do Scratch. Okay, so this is just draw a square using a loop. Each side is 20. So since it's a square, we already know that all the angles are 90. And we have done square earlier also. So move forward by 20, turn right by 90, and we put it in a loop of repeat 4 times so that it draws the square. Moving on. So it's the square only, but it has to draw 15 in a line. So the repeat 4 times stays. After drawing one square, my artist is behind. This is the square base. So my artist has to move in front before it starts drawing it again. Hence, I give this move forward by 20. You can use a move forward or a jump forward, but over here we do not have a jump forward, so we are using move forward. So it will redraw that base, that little bit line, and then it will reach the second square and it will draw. So this will repeat 15 times and then all the squares will be drawn. So the gray blocks are already given to you. You have to put a repeat 15 times and a move forward by 20. It's okay. I will guide you for Scratch. Do not worry who don't have an account. We will do Scratch. I will take you through Scratch login also when we are making an account. But this was only for those who already have an account. Okay, now in this same thing, we are drawing lines of squares. We are making actually an entire box of squares. So the earlier codes are the same, what we did, 15. And if you notice, this part is the same like the earlier one. And they have given you codes in boxes. We know after drawing the first line, my artist has to come back here. So he has to turn, jump, turn, and jump backwards and then start drawing again. So those codes I need to add. And there are the lines are this way also, there are 15 lines. And we know this way also, there are 15 squares we had drawn earlier. So we just understand the second block of codes are the correct ones. So turn right by 90, my artist turns, jumps forward, turns again left and goes all the way back so that he can start drawing again. That is why we've added this code inside the repeat. So this is like a nested loop, which we have done earlier, a loop inside a loop. We will just start Scratch in 5 minutes. I just want to go through this quickly and then we'll start Scratch. So diamond, they have mentioned that it's 50 pixels. They've mentioned it's 120 and it's 60 degrees. So draw up, turn, draw down, turn, and this will repeat. That is why forward by 50, right by 120, forward by 50, right by 60. Same thing in a line, there are 6. I explained you all why is this 3 and not 2, because my artist will draw this diamond, but my artist is standing here. So I want my artist to go and stand here so to draw the second diamond. Hence, I am making this one diamond and over it, I am drawing once more. So I am doing this repeat 3 times. Then my artist reaches here, I draw the other diamond And again I repeat the third time. So in this way I repeat the diamond 6 times and I'm able to draw the entire drawing, row of 6 diamonds. I'm sending you the link of what we are doing right now. Good evening, Geeta. So I'll send you the link of Scratch once we start. Yeah, this is the same diamonds, but it's a full line like the squares. So some codes like these are the same what we did till here. Then we are turning right by 180. We are jump. That means my artist has come here. I'm turning him. I'm getting him down. I am turning again, and I'm going all the way back. So that is what we've done here by making him jump backward, and turn left, so that he can draw those lines again. And there are 4 lines: 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is why this repeat 4 times. Not running any of these. I showed it to you all last time twice, but I'm still showing just in case any of you all missed any part, because this is the last part of code.org. So the same lines of diamond, these codes, the gray codes are already given. They are asking us just to change these values. And they want to know how much you need to change it by. So jump backward by 50 and jump backward by 275 is enough to make your program complete, and even a repeat block of 7 times. So then it will draw 2 lines of diamonds and it will keep repeating it. Coming to hexagon, we know hexagon are 6-sided. So each side angle between each side of a hexagon is 60, because 66 are 360. So this is a simple one. We've done hexagon earlier as well. Now it's asking us to do the same, repeat these hexagons 3 in a line. So here we have jump forward, so we are using it. In this square, we did not have jump forward. Here, if I use a move forward, it will draw 40 and it will draw a line here also. I do not want a line between the 2 hexagons, so I cannot use a move forward. I have to use a jump forward, which will get my artist from here to here after drawing 1 hexagon. And same way, it will get him again to the edge of the 3rd hexagon, and it will draw it 3 times. 3 hexagons and 6 sides of each hexagon. Is there age restriction? No, there is no age restriction in Scratch. Same thing again in a loop, but here the hexagon, it needs to be drawn from after drawing 1 line, it needs to go down and draw it. So you turn, so you're jumping forward by 120 in this case, because your jump has increased the gap. Then you're turning right, jumping forward, turning left, going backward. That means you're coming back again to the edge of the 2nd line. And then after this, you go back to drawing the hexagons again 3 in a line. If these values are not mentioned, it's more of trial and error. That okay, how much do I need to turn, or how much do I need to move forward? If you are unable to figure it out, try some values, you'll come close to it and you'll be able to. We are going to do Scratch just after this. So the code draws 2 rows of hexagons, loop the whole thing 4 times to draw the whole honeycomb. So we have we just did in the earlier one, we did 2 of these lines. We just have to repeat it 4 times with a jump backward by 120. So one more jump backward, so that once it's here, it has to come back further behind to this line, and it has to do it 4 times. That is why the first repeat is 4 times. And you give another jump backward by 120. This is just a semicircle. We know the whole circle is 360, semicircle is 180. So we are turning the artist every time by 3 degrees. So if I know full circle is 360, half circle is 180. If I'm turning him by 3 degrees every time, that means I need to turn 60 times. That is why your repeat is 60 times. 60 times 1 pixel at every 3 degrees you draw, you'll be able to draw the semicircle. Same thing, now it has to go up and down. So we repeat right turn and we do left turn, and we'll be able to get this entire thing 4 times we do to go up and down. So right turn 3 degrees, left turn 3 degrees, and everything needs to be repeated 4 times. The last one, because 15th is a free play, where it's your creativity. So here again, this line of 4 is the same as the earlier one, only this outside the corner turn is a little different, which needs to be figured. Again, they've given you the loops. You need to understand which one will work. So repeat 30 times, move forward by 1, will take you outside over here and draw this outside part. And you do repeat this 4 times so that you'll be able to draw the entire line of frame. 15th again, it's a free play. Once you finish 15th, you press finish. Once you press finish, you can you'll be able to generate your certificate. For those who are not able to, you write your email ID, your full name to generate your password to generate a certificate, and you can save it. Download certificate, you can either take a screenshot or you can right click on the certificate and say save image as. If you save image, usually the certificates go to downloads, or you can even choose where you're saving your certificate. Yeah, you got the certificate, very good. Whoever's they've got, that's good. Congratulations for finishing code.org and being regular. I hope you all have made the most of coming to the class and gained all the knowledge possible. I am sharing my PowerPoint for making an account in Scratch. I've already shared the link. If I go to this, I will send the join part. 1 second. So this is how it will open up for you all.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.